What if a simple edit could transform not just your life, but the very essence of humanity? Imagining a technology designed to cure diseases that also has the potential to unleash unforeseen nightmares. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi horror movie, but this is happening now, and it's essential to pay attention. Genome editing is paving the way for personalized medicine, promising a future where we can eliminate genetic disorders before they even arise. However, beneath this enticing surface lie dangers that many overlook. What if this technology falls into the wrong hands? Or worse, what if it's misused by well-meaning scientists? Every day, advancements in AI are accelerating genetic manipulation. It sounds amazing, but what happens when algorithms, not humans, decide which genes to edit? Picture a world where your genetic makeup is solely yours but shaped by computer-generated choices. That's a reality we might soon face. Are we truly ready for the consequences? The hidden dangers of a misapplying genome editing could lead us to a future where ethical boundaries blur and decisions lack human empathy. What if a simple mistake turns a cure into a genetic catastrophe? The implications are staggering. Consider a family that chose genome editing for their child at risk of a genetic disorder, believing they were making the best choice for their baby's health. But what if a glitch or oversight altered traits they never intended to change? That child could grow up facing unexpected consequences, traits that affect not only their life but also the lives of those around them. Now, let's take this further. Imagine a world where perfect DNA is in high demand. Wealthy families could access technology guarantees their children are genetically superior, while those who can't afford it might be left behind, facing disadvantages in a society where being better becomes the norm. Are we really ready for a society where genetic editing deepens existing divisions? The tension is rising, and we're on the brink of significant change. As we navigate these complex issues, solutions aren't straightforward. Regulations are being discussed, but they are struggling to keep pace with rapid technological advancements. Who will ensure these powerful tools are used ethically? Who will hold AI accountable for life-altering decisions? Before it's too late, we need to have conversations about the human side of genome editing. It's not just about fixing genes, it's about grasping the broader implications. The stakes are high and time is running out. So, what can you do? Stay informed. Engage in discussions. Demand transparency in how these technologies are applied. Your voice is crucial in shaping the future. As the saying goes, knowledge is power. In this case, it's the first step toward ensuring that genome editing serves humanity, not the other way around. What will you do with that power? What if a simple change in your DNA could turn deadly? It sounds like a plot twist from a sci-fi movie, but the truth about genome editing goes beyond just cures and enhancements. There are hidden dangers we need to consider. Imagine walking into a clinic filled with hope for a personalized treatment that promises to eliminate your genetic risks. But what if the very technology meant to heal could accidentally cause chaos? There is a growing concern about how artificial intelligence is misusing these genome editing techniques, and most people are completely unaware of it. Every time we edit DNA, we're not just tweaking a single strand, we're opening a Pandora's box of potential risks. A small error could lead to unintended mutations. It's like playing genetic roulette, and the stakes are much higher than anyone realizes. Now, picture this: you're a parent eager to give your child a healthier future, so you agree to a cutting-edge treatment that claims to fix inherited disorders. But what if this treatment also increases their chances of developing an entirely different disease? It's a nightmare scenario that scientists are increasingly warning us about. The problem lies in the algorithms that guide these decisions. While AI can analyze vast amounts of data, it doesn't grasp the complex nuances of human life. What seems like a straightforward solution on paper can quickly turn unpredictable in reality. This is where the true hidden dangers emerge. What if the next breakthrough in personalized medicine alters your DNA in ways you never expected? This isn't just hypothetical. There are real cases where gene editing has led to unforeseen consequences, and many of these stories remain untold. Imagine the stress of dealing with the fallout from a decision you didn't fully understand. Now, let's raise the stakes even higher. Imagine an entire population receiving these treatments, all under the false impression that they were safe and effective. The ripple effects could be catastrophic, not just for individuals, but for humanity as a whole. Scientists are sounding the alarm, warning that unchecked genome editing could create genetic divides and unexpected health crises. So, what can we do about this? Awareness is the first step. We need to engage in conversations about the ethical implications and potential risks. Transparency in how these technologies are developed and used is crucial. We must hold researchers and corporations accountable, ensuring they prioritize safety over profit. As we stand on the brink of a genetic revolution, it's vital to reflect on the choices we make. The allure of personalized medicine is strong, but the hidden dangers of misapplying genome editing techniques could change our lives forever. Before you leap into the future, take a moment to consider: what are you willing to risk for the promise of perfection? It's a question worth pondering. If you found this thought-provoking, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Together, let's raise awareness about the hidden dangers that could affect us all. What if I told you that the future of personalized medicine could take a chaotic turn because of the very technology designed to heal us? Imagining a world where genome editing, once a beacon of hope, becomes a hidden danger lurking in the shadows. As we stand on the brink of groundbreaking genetic advancements, many people remain blissfully unaware of the risks involved. The excitement surrounding CRISPR and other genome editing techniques often overshadows a crucial truth: these innovations come at a significant cost, potentially affecting our health and genetic integrity. Every time we manipulate DNA, we're playing a high-stakes game. We'll play, may I, why it works. A single misapplied edit could lead to unforeseen consequences. Picture a patient eager for a cure, unknowingly signing up for a treatment that alters not only their DNA but also the genetics of their future descendants. It sounds like science fiction, but it's a reality we're inching closer to. Let's take a moment to reflect on this. The miraculous gene therapies we often hear about. They are celebrated in headlines and praised in clinics, but what really happens behind those closed doors? Many researchers grapple with ethical dilemmas, navigating uncharted territory where a single misstep could trigger irreversible changes. You might think they're experts, they know what they're doing. They know what they're but do they truly?